Alright, what's up, boys? In the last video, many of you were asking for a settings video, so I'm gonna show you my settings right now. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet, so I'm just gonna scroll through them. This changes depending on the FPS I'm getting. I put it lower if I'm getting lower FPS, and raise it if I'm on rig or something. So is my ADS 0.35 and regular sense. It's 1.274. Here's some keybinds that I have. So these are all my keybinds, but some of the important ones are I have H binded to graphics false, so my binding's a little bit smaller. And then I have N is binded to true, so it's a little bit bigger. And then this bind right here makes my HUD go away when I right click, so when I zoom in. And then this is my middle mouse button, so when I press it, it's pretty much a zoom keybind. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. Also, I want to let you guys know that the vibrance that I'm getting is not actually my in-game vibrance, it's just through my OBS. So I have my OBS up to 0.8 saturation rather than just 0, which makes it a lot more dead. So my game actually does look dead, but when I'm recording it doesn't.